Hi everybody, it's Lori from ODB. Today I want to tell you about the only carabiner that you will ever need. This is our Carabiner multi-tool. This should be a necessity in any hiking bag, bug out bag. You can clip it on your belt loops, keep it in your purse, your car, whatever. It has multiple knives on it. It has a blade knife and also a serrated knife. So you can handy clip it back there. It has a screwdriver, flathead. It also has a bottle opener. More importantly though, it has a guided lock here, so it can really hold your carabiner in place if you need any sort of durability and stability. So you can clip it really anywhere that you need to, and it will not come off if you have it locked. You can find this Carabiner multi-tool on our website at outdoorbunker.com. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Hi everybody, it's Lori from ODB. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you liked it, please click the like button below and subscribe to our channel right up here so you can get instant notifications of when we upload new videos. Also check out our website at outdoorbunker.com and go to our Get Connected page to see all of our social media outlets and other fun things to do. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.